Gotta change oil in my car, so I ran out of my jack stands aren't working, so figured we try this. This should work, I would think. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm not gonna change the oil. Alright, that'll work good. Alright, that's good there. Don't tip it over. Scratch the paint. So I don't know if this comes across in video. That's kind of how this guy normally looks. And then there's, I don't know what that is. It's weird. But I was inside doing my taxes, and I'd rather do anything but my taxes, so I don't know. It's pretty cool. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. So I guess that means tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Have fun, guys.